Is it difficult for international students to study in the US? To be honest, yes, and also no. Let me tell you why. So, just want to let you know that I came here alone and I spent almost like 2 days just to get here. And I tried to make friends, and some people they didn't care, and some people they did care. I still remember I wanted to play volleyball, and I sat near the court, and they asked me, "You wanna join?" And I said yes. And we're friends until now. I also went to his house and met his family and learned about American culture. Yeah. The second thing is the language. Since English is not my first language, right? It's my fourth language. So sometimes I don't get what people say. It's basically about idioms, you know. So one time I was eating ice cream and my friend said to me that don't eat too much ice cream, Billy. And I was like, oh, I just eat it once a month. And he said, are you beating Billy? So I was like, what are you beating means? Because I didn't get it. And he explained to me later. So I got it. Oh, are you beating mean are you on your period? And it was a joke. And I was like, so funny. Yeah. And the last thing that I want to mention is about the weather. Since I'm from Laos, right? And the weather there is so hot. It's super hot. It's boiling, you know? But when I'm here, it's super cold. And I had to adapt a lot, you know? But it's okay. I still feel so lucky that I have some good friends and nice professors. They always support me and I will never forget them even though I go back to Laos. Yeah. And yeah, sometimes difficult, sometimes beautiful, meaningful, and life changing.